Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change your time zone in Microsoft Teams. This is useful if you've moved or want to make sure your meetings show the correct time. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Microsoft Teams app or go to the web version and log in to your account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down. Step 3. Now go to the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Language and Time Zone section. Step 4. Click the drop-down under Time Zone and choose the correct one based on your location. Step 5. Changes usually save automatically, but you may need to restart Teams for the new time zone to take effect. Bonus tip. Sync your Outlook calendar and Teams to avoid confusion in meetings. They use the same Microsoft account settings. And that's it. You've updated your time zone in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials. See you next time!